Hello everyone, my name is Arthur, and today I'm going to be doing a brief demonstration of the app Verca, which is a mobile platform for anyone who provides services to repeat clientele, such as dog training, personal training, or things of that nature. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create your service, as well as how to create a purchase link to your service, and lastly, what it looks like from your client's perspective when they do purchase your service and schedule their sessions. So let's jump right into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to create your community. I've already created mine, but after you've done that, you're going to click it. You're going to go into admin and then services. So in this tab, you're going to see a list of services that you've created. So let's click the plus button here to create another one. Name your service. Let's call it 60-minute training session, something generic, right? And then you can also add images to your service. I'm just going to choose the Verca icon right here. Let's click continue. For the category, let's call it training. And you can also bundle your packages. For example, like if you sell 5 sessions, 10 sessions, or 15 sessions in a pack, you can definitely do that with this application. For the sake of this demo, let's do bundle quantity 3. So anyone who purchases this package is going to get 3 sessions. Set your price, $50. And you can also require your clients to schedule before they purchase their sessions. And you could set the session duration, which is how long each session is. I think everything looks good here. So let's just click continue. Describe your service. Let's just say 3 times pack, 60-minute training. Boom, there we go. And then you're going to click create service. So it's going to review, make sure everything's good to go. And then there we go, it's created the service. So what you're going to do after you've created the service is you're going to click actions and then list service, which makes it visible to customers. Also, if you already have clientele enrolled in your shop, you can notify them, send them emails that you're listing the service. But let's go ahead and click list. So after we've listed our service, we can head into our shop. And we can see that our service shows up here. Now, a lot of clients aren't going to have the app downloaded. The app is completely optional for them. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to click share link, and it's going to generate a universal link to your service. So anyone who has internet access can purchase this. You're going to click copy, and then let's go into Safari here. Let's go into that URL. And then the service will pop up here. Oh. All right, so this is what the clients see. This is from the client's perspective. Payment method, you have card, Zelle, Venmo. I've linked my Zelle, which is a pretty commonly used payment method, so let's go with that. Gonna put in my email, and then we're purchasing 1 package, so I'm gonna get 3 sessions from this. And then I'm gonna click proceed. And then here it's going to prompt me to schedule my sessions. Let's do January 7th, 9, January 14, January 21. There we go. So I've scheduled 3 sessions. Let's click confirm and check out. Cool. So once that is good to go, it's going to prompt the client to send however much the total cost is to your Zelle, which you've linked through the app. So, the client's going to click copy. They're going to go into Zelle. They're going to send the amount. And what's going to happen next is it's going to send a text message to you to confirm that the payment was made. So let me do that on my end right here. I know it's not showing up in the video, but it's going to send you a code with the sessions that the client has scheduled and the total amount that they've agreed to pay. And then once you check that, everything's good to go. You verify that the payment was made. So I just did that on my end through my laptop. Let's go back into the application. And then once that processes, I can go into sessions. There we go. So I just received the text that everything processed. Let's click book appointments. And then as you can see, the sessions show up here. And I can view all the sessions and everything that my client has purchased, scheduled, everything.